All right, now we are going over how to do the barbell lunge. Now there's several variations to this exercise. You can do it standing in a static position. You can do them walking. You can also do them with dumbbells. I preferably like to use the bar because I feel like when I'm holding dumbbells, I'm also working out my shoulders, just trying to hold the dumbbells in my hand. So I prefer to just sit the bar nicely on my traps and then just focus on getting the contraction on my quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Now, a few things to make sure that you're doing this exercise effectively. Number one, you want to take a nice wide step, right? I see people taking small steps. To maximize the contraction that you're getting in this movement, you want to take a nice wide step and then come down so that you form a 90-degree angle with your leg, right? You should be able to see your foot if you're looking straight down. If your knee is going dramatically over the foot, then you're too close. You need to take a nice wide step. Number two, you want to make sure that you keep your chest nice and upright, right? Nice straight back. You do not want to go forward into the lunge and let your torso go forward with it, right? You want to go into the lunge, keep your chest up and your back straight, and then come up. Number three, to maximize the tension, right? And to keep continuous tension on the legs, you want to make sure that you hover a little over the ground, right? In other words, you do not want to slam your knee on the ground and then rest here in a resting position, right? You want to stop right here and then come up and keep that continuous tension. Do not rest on the ground. That is how you effectively do a barbell lunge.